What's up, everybody? Today I'm here at Haunted Castle. I'm in my friend's private server. His name is Rip Indra 45.
Wait, are you vlogging or you're just joking? I know.
I'm vlogging.
Paano ko makita?
Oh, tingnan mo oh.
Nice. Go. Start your video.
So guys, I'm here in my friend's private server. Oh no, I forgot. I forgot to accept the quest. Guys, I'm ready 2046. And then my friend is ano oh. Ano level ka na, Clint?
1,889.
Again daw?
1,889.
He is 1889. And then me,
Upload
I'm much higher than him because he's not cheating, because I know he's not hacking, because he will never do that. Di ba, Clint?
Yeah. It's so hard to grind.
Yeah, it's so hard to grind. It will take like many days or months to reach to max level, because it was actually 2,550 before, but now it's already 2,600 ang max level.
Yeah. I want to live. Paano ka mag-live?
Oh no.
Update.
So guys, make sure if you like and subscribe if you're a fan of KKGC.
That's right, guy. And guys, someday, guys, I'm gonna make my own channel.
Someday I'll reach 1,000 subscribers. So guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button para my dream will become true. Mag-reach ako 1,000 subscribers.
Yeah, subscribe to KK. I don't know.
KKGC.
Ay, sorry. Take two. Ay. Ay, hey, blood ingon lang.
So guys, we're actually 2 levels away from getting the next quest, which is called the possessed mummies, which were under down there above from the demonic souls. Demonic souls have the face of Uzot. Like look at this face. That's the face of an admin. But but the avatar, but it's not look like the same as Uzot's. But the face is still the same like Uzot's, because that's how an admin is. So guys, make sure you subscribe to Uzot as well.
May blood ba yun?
Yeah. Hey Uzot, if you're watching my channel, make sure you subscribe. Okay.
If you're watching Arvin KK,
GC.
if you're watching KK YouTube channel, you turn off private server or give us fruit.
No, do not. That's mean.
I'm just joking.
So guys, like if you want to join our private server, you can you can ask my friend Rip Indra 45.
Just subscribe and click the bell and
Para notifier kayo.
yeah, and put your username.
And then we will add you to the KKGC.
Magsabi ka, iput nila ang name nila.
Yeah, put your name in the comments para i-add ako.
Okay, i-comment ba yan? Ano ba yan? I-upload mo?
Post. Post in the upload. Post or upload.
Same pa rin yun.
Eh di syempre. So guys, my money is almost to 1 million.
Ay, ano? My money is 4 million. Kanina pa laki. Wala ko nakita.
Oo naman, sa akin 955.
Okay lang yan. Ito sa isa account, 500, 5, 500, 5, 3, 50, 3 pala point, 774.
Wow.
Ba't ka nag-alay?
I forgot. Private server para tayo.
Yeah. We cannot fight.
And then also, please guys, can you help me to give me some fruits? I'm low.
That's ite pa na ni Mano. Okay, oh.
And guys, please help me to get many fruits. Cause I'm already poor. 88. Let's go. Let's go to the Death King, guys. Keep it. I'm too fast. I'm too fast. Na, 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 na. Wait, so guys, it's already midnight, so that means we should go to the graveyard kung saan ang isang semento. Okay, interact. Try luck. Yes, I got 20 bones. Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, ayaw ko mag-1K, mag-spin K. Pa dito, observation ko to agad ngayon.
Yes, I got money. Money, money, green, green, money's all I need. Yes, I got fragments.
Listen,
Yes.
I'm gonna reach my money to 800 million.
Wow, sana all. Sa akin, 1 billion.
Ay, hindi, I'm gonna, one dito, my money, I'm gonna reach this to,
Max.
ano, no, I'm gonna, one this, my pera, I'm gonna reach this to 8, 8M. No, diba, same sa price of, ano, of,
Kitsune.
Kitsune.
What about the dragon?
I don't need that because that is so mahal. Give me 15, 15M, wala ka, binmahal.
Oo nga, 15M.
Ayaw na lang. Laki, saan ka naman yan, Kay?
Ano?
Andyan ka ba?
Yes, I'm ready at my next quest.
Ano ka na level?
2050. Which is the level of possessed mummies.
Wala, 2050 ka na?
Yeah.
Wala, marapit ka na, Kay.
Oo, malapit na ako sa Sea of Treats.
Meow, 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 meow.
Uy, Clint. Teka lang, nakalimutan ko na.
What?
Saan ako mabumababa?
Yung baba, I don't know.
Saan ang entrance dito? Na nakalimutan ko na saan ang entrance. Ah, there pala. Hello, possessed mummies. Are you ready to be killed? By KKGC. Yeah. Wait a minute. Look. Clint,
What?
are they using Sandfruit or not? Let's find out.
Kay. Kay, tell to your subscriber, Kay, if they're using a cheat.
Hala! They are using dark fruit, Clint.
Ano?
The possessed mummies are using dark fruit.
Oh, dark beard.
Like dark beard. Wait, wait. Wait, teka lang. Wait, teka lang. Kasali ba sila sa dark beard?
Junior.
Or black beard?
Okay, I almost reached 1,000.
975?
I almost reached 1,900.
Oy, Clint. Oy, Clint, I'm ready 2051. Okay, guys, let's go back into the public server. I will meet you guys there. Hello, guys. I'm here now at I'm here at the public server. And then yeah, there's nothing new here. And also, oh, Glenn. Glenn. It's time to roll a fruit. Oh no, I still have to wait for 1 hour. Oy, Glenn! Oy, Glenn! Sabi daw, oy, Glenn, look, sabi daw sa chat. Glenn,
What?
sa chat sabi daw, 101 factory malfunction end. Na-start pala yun ng factory. Sayang, nawala ko. Oh.
Sige na, i-continue mo lang yan vlog mo, i-send mo lang maya sa YouTube, wag mo yan magsabi sa
Okay, guys. Okay, guys, so this is the end of this video. So, guys, thank you guys for watching. And see you on my next video. And if you want to join in my friend's private server, just type your username in the comments. And subscribe so I can reach 1,000 subscribers. Woo! So yun lang. Bye-bye. And also make sure you like and subscribe and turn on the notification so you can be notified and what videos are going to be coming up next. So bye.